This is the new E.T.S. 3 from Evolution Airsoft. It's a brand new electronic trigger system with a lot of new features and has been designed to be very easy to install. It installed without any modification in almost any version 2 gearbox in really less than 5 minutes. Everybody can do it. It's fully electronic, and it has, allows the user to fully configure independently the trigger when the selector is on semi and on auto. You can choose the configuration you prefer to add a lot of new features to your rifle. And so you have fully configurable fire selector. You can adjust the trigger response. You can set up a burst mode independently in the semi and in the auto position. You have a pre-cocking feature with 10 levels of pre-cocking, so you can match any type of spring, any type of battery. You have a ramping. The ramping, it means that when you are shooting in semi-auto, in burst, and it doesn't matter if in the semi or in auto position, you can switch automatically to the full auto by keeping the trigger pressed down. And you can set the delay after which the gun will automatically switch to full auto. Then you have a fully adjustable active brake. Also, the active brake is adjustable in 10 different levels. You have a micro switch control, full cycle detection, so your gun always will complete a full cycle every time you press the trigger. Then you have a PWM ROF control. PWM is a pulse width modulation, and is a technology that allows to have full control of your unit without stressing too much the electronic components. Then you have the smart trigger with auto boost. You can set the rate of fire of your gun to match the battery you are using, and every time you pull the trigger, the first shot will go at full voltage. Then the rate of fire will slow down according to your preferences. You have a full automatic battery detection, so the unit detects automatically what kind of battery you're using, if a LiPo or a LiFe, and also the voltage. Then you have an automatic fail-safe function. The gun will warn you by using the vibration every time you pull the trigger when the voltage of your battery goes beyond the safety level. And after a certain number of warnings, to avoid the battery can be damaged, it automatically shut down, cut off the power. So you are fully protected. Even if you are playing, you are very involved. If your battery goes down, you will not damage it. This is the E.T.S. 3. Here we have some prototypes of the guns Evolution is developing at the moment. The body has been totally designed from the ground in Italy. We are implementing in our new rifle this unique design. We are making the guns with aluminum body, and also we're using high-tech polymers like the carbon tech. We have many choices of barrel length, stock, styles. The new models will be all with the M-LOK system. And here you can see some 3D print bodies and also frames for our pistols. As every time we make some change on the 3D design on the computer, we print a new piece to see how it matches with the other parts, if there's some ergonomics to improve or some changes to be made. So when we want to check with our hand the result of our drawings, we launch a new print. In a couple of hours we have the piece finished, and we can make all necessary changes to have a perfect design. Yeah. The dimensions will be exactly the same as the production piece. And using this system we can build fully functional prototypes, so the guns you see on the wall can be actually used for playing war game and test the design on the ground, on the playing field.